just completed a very large audio system in this, using all top-of-the-line equipment from JL Audio in Miramar, Florida. We're working off of the factory 8.4-inch Dodge radio. From there, we're going into a time correction unit that swaps the audio into fiber optic. We're running fiber optics directly into the JL Audio amplifiers. We're running a set of 3-way JL Audio C7 components up front. That's their absolute best speakers that they make. We've swapped out the 3-inch factory mid-range for a 3-inch C7 speaker. We've added a set of tweeters here in the A pillars, which those were not there before. Gets them a little bit higher. Kind of hard to see there. Gets them up a little bit higher, and they're not reflecting off of the windshield. Gives us a little bit better sound stage and imaging. We've taken out the factory door speaker and installed a 6.5-inch C7 set of components. In the rear of the vehicle, we've added a set of 6.5-inch mid-bass driver C7s from JL, and where the factory tweeter is just above that to the left, we've taken out the factory tweeter and added a C7 tweeter. This customer loves mid-bass, wanted a lot of mid-bass, so we have 4 mid-bass drivers in this vehicle. In the back, we've removed the factory subwoofer, and we've installed a JL Audio 12-inch W3 woofer and a fiberglass enclosure behind the left rear wheel well. And where the factory subwoofer would have been, we've made a custom amp rack to house our wiring, fusing, and our 2 JL Audio amplifiers. These are the VXI amplifiers, the VXI 1000/5i amplifier that runs the rear speakers in the subwoofer, and then we have a VX 800/8i, and that runs all of the front speakers, all 6 of the front speakers. So there you go. This thing sounds incredible. Just wanted to give you a quick rundown on it. If you're looking to do some top quality JL Audio equipment with some of the best installation out there, please give us a call. We'd be happy to help you out. That's Long Radio, West Springfield in Hadley, Massachusetts. The toys for your car people. Thanks for watching.